Michelle here from Straw-Bearie Designs, and today is a quick dollar haul video for you. So I went to Dollar Tree yesterday, found all kinds of goodies. I got this wreath, and I got these dice, and I'm a teacher, so I'm thinking about using them for school, of writing different things on here, like activities and things that they're going to do, or I might use them for a game at home. You have to stick around for that one. I got myself a plastic dinosaur. I've seen a lot of cute DIYs with this, so you can expect this to be a DIY in the future. I got this flag holder for those little garden flags, and I got myself a garden flag to put on it. Last summer, I went looking for one of these flag holders, and they were like $20, and so I got it for I saw them at Dollar Tree for $1, and I wasn't even sure if I really want a flag in my yard, but at that price, I couldn't pass it up. Okay, so I got these cute sparkly berries that I'm going to be using later on, and okay, this is gonna sound weird, and I'm trying to find what part that goes with it, and all my bags down here at my feet. Okay, anyway, I got these shower rings, and that's going to become part of a backdrop that I'm going to make for doing my videos. Deco Mesh. My Dollar Tree never has Deco Mesh. They are always out of it. And so when I saw that they had it, I bought one of every color that I could find. I think there's a red one here too. Not knowing when or what I'm going to do with that, just knowing that since my Dollar Tree never has it, when I look for it, I wanted to get it now. I got some of this Beauty Benefit cream. I actually use this every day and I really like it. Oh, here is the cheapy shower curtain liner, and I know I would probably never use this in my shower, but it's going to help me with my backdrop. I got some garden shears. That's a good tool to have. This I thought was really cool. It is faux fur sticker sheets, so expect that in an upcoming DIY. Here is a little welcome sign that you could put on your door, but I'm going to take the pieces apart and create something new. Still going through here. Oh, I got another flag for my little flagpole. I got some new bins. So they now have these bins that have a real pretty design of flowers and stuff on it. And these look to be almost the right size that I could probably, I'm hoping, put my ink pads for my rubber stamping in some of these. So we'll see if that works. Here is another dinosaur. I needed some more hand soap, and I was just going to get the plain old boring ones, and then I saw this little owl, and yeah, it's just a little plastic container, but it's a lot cuter than just one that just says hand soap on it. So this is going in my guest bathroom. Thought he was pretty cute. And I never see the diamond wrapped at my Dollar Tree, and so they had the diamond wrap. Don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I know it's one of those staples for Dollar Tree crafts, so I picked that up. Oh, look. More dinosaurs. What's really funny about this is my son Garrett, he's in the Army now, he used to love dinosaurs when he was little, and he had, you know, a huge tote full of dinosaurs. And I haven't looked in there to see how many he still has in there. I know he still has some, but I couldn't tear up his dinosaurs to do a DIY, so I had to go get my own. So he's going to think that's pretty funny. And then I found this Apricot Scrub, and then just this face lotion, and then they have pink bins. Pink isn't a color that I've seen at my Dollar Tree very often, so I thought these would add to my pink studio that I have. And that's all I got. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe. That really helps my channel. And until next time, have a great day crafting away.